or some kind of a Dodge. This isn't really what you call a park, it's just a place to sit down when you're drunk and waiting for the bus. You don't have to be drunk. Now we're going to go over there and see what happens. This is something you see a lot in Germany, where you have a little garden with a little house and everything's kept very neat. This one here didn't rake their leaves, so And if you're wondering where the Fischer-marked Rotenbuhl is, it's here on this place. And there's a nice little hotel, I think. It's hard to say. There's a nice name, Senator Richard Becker Straße. What? Senator Richard Becker Straße. No big event, but they do have a couple of nice trees. There's an old brick house that's painted white. Almost looks like Christmas without any lights. Almost looks like it could be anywhere. Well, one thing Germans are famous for is using their space effectively. Doesn't know what ADAC is, ADAC. They're the yellow angels. They will save you when you're in times of need on the Autobahn. This is the little park for if the kids want to get outside to get some air. People live. Both dogs and bikes are forbidden. Pretty good looking trees. Oh, we're getting rain on my screen. It's a rainy day in Saarbrücken. And this is one of the prettier graveyards, if you like graveyard visiting. Where is this graveyard? St. Johanna. It's up on the hill. Nice thing about being dead is you don't have to pay any heating bills. So you don't feel the cold.
Mountains. And down Italy, along the coast, way down southern.
Right now. And that there is the tracks going into Saarbrücken. Can you see that? And Ostbahnhof, so we're almost back to where we started. And that is, where are we? Oh no, I'm not sure anymore. We called something else. A train! Look at this train spot. We just missed one going the other way. I mean, we saw it, but we didn't have a camera. Okay, I think what our plan now is to have a beer because it's almost Christmas. Well, that was Timmy's plan. I don't usually do crazy stuff like that. So there's the city hall in the rain. Now we got a public toilet. That's new. We're only allowed 20 minutes though. But it's only 30 cents. It's a bloody deal.
Doesn't work if you talk about bullshit.
Cat in the box.